How are you? I hope you all are perfectly fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. This is Akanksha Pandey from LPM Public School. I am your subject teacher of science and students. I hope you and your family will be fine in these pandemic days and you all are enjoying the online class. So students, as we know that your chapter number 5, the name of this chapter, soil, is in proceeding and the all lecture related to this chapter is over and all exercise has been solved and your exercise give the answer of the following question is proceeding. So students, yesterday we will on yesterday the three question and answer has been solved and now today your question number 4 will be described by me. Your question number 4 is, with the help of a diagram, describe the 3 layers of soil. Students, in this question, you describe the 3 layers of soil with the help of a diagram. So students, you can see in this PDF a picture of the soil, layers of soil. You can see here is the 3 layers of the earth is shows in given picture. It means दिए हुए डायग्राम में आपको 3 लेयर्स दिख रहे हैं सॉइल के 3 लेयर्स. एज वी नो दैट देयर आर 3 लेयर्स. फर्स्ट इज टॉप सॉइल, second is subsoil and third is bedrock. First, topsoil is the uppermost layer of the soil. It means the uppermost layer of the soil is called topsoil and it is the first layer of the soil. So students, let us come and describe what is the topsoil. Student, it is the uppermost layer of soil and contains fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water and air. Now repeat again. The uppermost layer of soil is called topsoil. It contains fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water and air. Students, and now your second layer is subsoil. What is? Your second layer is subsoil. Subsoil is the middle layer of soil. What is? The subsoil is the middle layer of soil. So students, it is the middle layer of soil present below the topsoil and contains broken pieces of rocks. Now repeat again. Subsoil is the middle layer of soil present below the topsoil and contains broken pieces of rocks. And now your third layer is bedrock. What is, students? Bedrock. Bedrock, it is bottom layer of soil. So students, it is bottom layer of soil and is quite deep inside the earth. It has large pieces of rocks. So students, now repeat again. Bedrock, it is the bottom layer of soil and it is quite deep inside the earth. It has large pieces of rocks. So students, in this picture and by this diagram we describe the 3 layers of the soil. First is topsoil, second is subsoil and third is bedrock. Topsoil is the uppermost layer of soil, subsoil is the middle layer of soil, bedrock is bottom layer of soil. So students, your question number 4 and the answer of the question number 4 has been done. And now let us come to the question number 5. Your question number 5th is, what is soil erosion? What is soil erosion, students? And your merged question is, what increases erosion of soil? What is soil erosion, students? As we know, the removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Now repeat again. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. It means टॉप सॉइल से फर्टिलिटी का रिमूव हो जाना हार्ड विंड एंड वाटर के थ्रू, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉइल इरोजन. सो this is the definition of soil erosion. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. And now the answer of your merged question, what increases of erosion of soil? So students, as we know that the strong wind, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees increases soil erosion. It means soil erosion को increase कैसे, सॉइल इरोजन का इंक्रीज मीन्स सॉइल इरोजन कैसे बढ़ता है? बाय द स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड, हैवी रेनफॉल एंड कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज, व्हाट इज सॉइल कंजर्वेशन? लिस्ट एनी 3 ways in which we can consume soil. Students, your question number 6 is, what is soil conservation? Students, do you know about soil conservation? What is soil conservation? Soil conservation is the protection of soil from erosion, is known as soil conservation. Now repeat again. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. Now your merged question is, list any 3 ways in which we can consume soil. There are certain steps that we can take to conserve soil. Let us see. First, more number of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. It means हमें ट्रीज को प्लांट करना चाहिए जब भी हम किसी पेड़ को कट कर देते हैं, देन उसकी जगह पे हमें नए पेड़ लगाने चाहिए. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट, ट्रीज एंड बुशेस शुड बी प्लांटेड इन ओपन लैंड. एंड लास्ट, डैम्स शुड बी बिल्ट अक्रॉस रिवर टू प्रिवेंट रूट. These steps that we can take to conserve soil. Now repeat again the answer of question number 6. Soil conservation, it means, what is soil conservation? The soil conservation is the protection of soil from erosion, is known as soil conservation. Now next, there are certain steps that we can take to conserve soil. First is, more number of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Second, trees and bushes should be planted in open land. And last, dams should be built across river to prevent flood. So students, now this exercise is over, and next is, here is the concept map given. In your concept map, I am going to explain about the soil. First is the types of soil. In this map, you will describe the types of soil. How many types of soil? Students, as we know that there are 3 types of soil. First is sandy soil, second is loamy soil, third is clay soil. Now, the composition of soil. What is the composition of soil? There are 3 composition of soil. First is sand, next is second, and last is clay. And the layer of soil, how many layers of soil? There are 3 layers of soil. First is topsoil, second is subsoil, and third is bedrock. So students, this concept map is also has been solved. So students, all of you, this all answer and question you have to write in your fair copy and CW copy also, and learn also. Okay student, and thanks to all for watching this video. We will meet again in my next video. So let us see you in my next video. Thanks and goodbye to all of you.